What you see here is the boldest and most ruthless bird of all. The common cuckoo is notorious for its deceit. It doesn't build nests, but hijacks those of other birds. While the host is away, the female cuckoo stealthily lays her egg in their nest. The unsuspecting host incubates the imposter's egg, unaware of the betrayal. When the cuckoo chick hatches, it wastes no time. It mercilessly ejects the host's eggs, securing all the food for itself. The foster parents tirelessly feed the growing cuckoo, mistaking it for their own. Even when it dwarfs its foster parents, they continue to provide for the relentless intruder. The cuckoo's call is a familiar sound, yet its survival strategy is shockingly ruthless. Nature's ingenuity, though harsh, is astonishing.